Yes, well, the time normally is prescribed by the chemical manufacturer. Uh, Normally, it's between 10 days and 3 weeks. And there is an important reduction in the time. Why? Because, as I said, if your aim is to kill all the pathogens, the more they are in contact with the chemical, the more effectiveness it will have, and the quicker you will achieve this. Imagine, like, as I said, when you open the windows, when trying to heat up a room, you will have this heat escaping through. So it's the same with a normal mulch. Part of the gases are escaping, so it has an impact not only in the time you're spending of the gas in contact with the pathogen, but also in the effectiveness. So it's a huge difference, and you really can cut the time. But I would say it's not only important to cut the time, but the results, the effectiveness you achieve with the TIF. I think this is the most important time. Time is money, and the shorter the better. You can make the transplanting and you have earlier crops. But the main benefit overall is the effectiveness, biocidal effectiveness.
Yes, no, it's and of course, as you have a very high barrier film, the biggest emissions on the treatment is of course at the beginning of the treatment. So that is why as much gas you can retain at the beginning, the lower will be the time of that treatment. Okay.